Gutire mundu ugwitikirio guthararia thayo wa bururi. Iyo niyo miario ya Minista wa ugitiri wa thiini Fred Matiang'i akiheana mukana ati gikundi kiregani kia National Resistance Movement kiria giathundurirwo ni ngwataniro ya NASA ni gikundi haramu na mundu wothe wigiritanagia na gikundi kiu niakwerwo ikinya irumu ria kiwatho wona uthuthuria warikirire.
It is a criminal organization. It is not a political party. It is a group of individuals who are bent on mayhem and anarchy. And let's not make any mistake or pretenses about this. It is a group of individuals intended to incite members of the public against a constitutionally instituted government.
Matiang'i niongereire ati Thirikari iri na thiri cia thiini hari njama iria ngwataniro ya NASA irabangite na kweheria borithi kiharo-ini kia Uhuru Park. Urari uguni munene muno ni amukura hari na njama ya uitikangi wa thakame na ndeto ino iraubuka itanahanika. Thirikari ni yambikitie uthuthuria na ica ikuhe ni gukorwo iking'ethanira na aria maratabanagia njama ino.
We are working on a multi-sectoral basis, and we will bring each one of the individuals involved in legal activities to book. And we will process them through the recognized legal process. But we will arrest them, those we need to arrest, and we will take them before a judge or before a magistrate, and we will both go there for the law to be interpreted for us.
Hari kuhorio gwa ceceni nya cia TV, Thirikari ni ugite itua riri no riguthii na mbere kinyagia uthuthuria urikirire hari njama iria ikuruhanitio na ceceni ici na ngwataniro ya NASA.
The media houses will remain switched off until we are completed some of the investigations that we are carrying out.
No na kuri uguo miario no ya Matiang'i ni menererio ni mubunge wa Suba John Mbadi akiuga matiramakio na kunyitwo na kuhingurirwo thitango.
It was an activity of NASA supporters across the country. An activity organized by Kenyans. And there is nothing to investigate. We were all there. If he wants to arrest people, let him come for us. And it is not NRM. He is wasting time talking about NRM. It is all of us. We were...
No na mugambo wa mubunge uyu tanathira. Thirikari ni ikinyiriirie mukana wayo wa guikia ngono mutabania wa kwihitithia Raila. Ni mubunge wa warika TJ Kajwang na gukinywa afisini nene cia CID kaunti-ini ya Nairobi. Na riria abunge ya NASA mekinyirie wabici-ini ici, ndugamano yaumiria gatagati kao na maafitha a borithi kuria kuma kaguru ndeithia kuria abunge aya. Kuringana na Matiang'i, Thirikari no iguthii na mbere na gukorwo iri muhari-ini wa mbere hari gutacukiria makinya ma kiwatho aria marenda kuhagukia thayo wa bururi. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Maina wa Mwangi.